The most powerful psychological question in the world. This question, more than any other thing you could possibly ask yourself, will put you back on track, will give you your personal power back, and will get you back headed in the direction you want to be headed in. All right, here's the question. Where do my moods really come from? Let me say it again. Where do my moods really come from? The next time you're encountering any stress in your environment, whether it's from people or situations or weather or dogs barking, ask yourself the question, where do my moods really come from? And the greatest question is only valuable if you have the right answer. And here's the answer. From my interpretations, from my beliefs, from my opinions, and from the stories I'm telling myself in my head. That is what is responsible for the majority of the neurotransmitters that are activated in my body at any moment, and that is what gives me my moods. If this is new to you and you're not practicing this, do it 100 times a day. Where do my moods really come from? Where do my moods really come from? Where do my moods really come from? And the second you ask yourself that and remember the answer, you've regained your personal power and you're back in control of you. All right, practice the heck out of this and have a good rest of the day.